Good morning. Welcome to our Saturday morning guided meditation here at Unity on the Bay. My name is Angela. I'm going to be the facilitator of this morning's guided meditation, in which you're going to have the opportunity to remove unconscious blockages that are keeping you from being able to experience the divinity of your own being. So I invite you to close your eyes. And so let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. Letting go of concern about the future, any thoughts about the past. Allowing the mind to relax, to become still, to become fully present. And I invite you to begin to relax the muscles of the body, starting with the face, relaxing all the muscles of the face. Letting go of all tension, and relax the neck and the shoulders, allowing the shoulders to drop, letting go of any burden, any weight you may have been carrying. Allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into a state of deep physical relaxation. And I'm going to count from 5 to 1. And as I do, you will allow yourself to go deeper and deeper within you, to the core of your being, to your heart. 5. Just notice how relaxed you are right now. 4. Your attention is fully here in the present moment. 3. You're becoming more and more relaxed. 2. This inner stillness is allowing peace to rise up from within you. 1. Find yourself immersed and surrounded by peace. A peace that passes all understanding, for it has nothing to do with the conditions of your life. Now envision that you are sitting in a comfortable place, witnessing a fire pit. Allow your eyes to notice the flames of the fire. This fire represents the power of nature to purify, to cleanse, to burn away. Now envision that you have a small container in your lap right now that has some pieces of wood. This wood represents unconscious blockages that you may have at a deep level. Some limiting beliefs and perceptions about yourself and life. But they are running the show of your life. They are the cause that you behave a certain way, that you see the world a certain way, and what kind of creation you are putting forth. And so I invite you to envision that you're picking up a piece of wood from this small container. And in this piece of wood, it's representing any sense of unworthiness that you may have. You see the wood, it is written unworthiness. So if there is any sense of unworthiness within you here and now at a deep level, just bring that to your awareness. So it moves from unconsciousness to a conscious awareness. Now envision yourself throwing the small piece of wood into the fire pit and see it dissolving before your very eyes. As you see this piece of wood that represents unconscious unworthiness dissolve before you, begin to notice that feeling of unworthiness is beginning to dissipate and dissolve here and now. You are consciously letting go of the belief of unworthiness. And as you do, your inner light becomes a little brighter. Now notice that you're picking up another piece of wood right now. And in it, it states separation. It has to do with any belief that you are separate from Source, that you're separate from your good, that you're separate from the love you seek and long. Begin to notice the presence of such belief at a deep level within you as you are getting ready to release it. Now envision yourself throwing that piece of wood into the fire pit and allow it to dissolve. And envision yourself picking just one more piece of wood from that container. And in it is stated fear. Fear of the future. Fear of scarcity, of not having enough. Fear of illnesses. Fear of the future. Notice those beliefs and fears within you and see yourself throwing that piece of wood into the fire for it to be dissolved before your very eyes. Now begin to envision that your inner light is shining a little bit brighter and a little bit brighter. Those false beliefs in unworthiness, in separation, the fear that you have about the future, they are all being dissolved right now, and it's allowing you to rise in consciousness and to begin to gain a greater awareness of the presence of light within you. Your spiritual eye is being opened right now since those obstacles have been removed. And you know beyond any measure of a doubt, here and now, that you are already worthy. That there's nothing you can do out there in the world that could make you more worthy than you already are. You are the son and daughter of the Most High. And that conviction is taking place in your heart right now. The perception of separation and limitation, it is just a dream. As you begin to fill your oneness with this indwelling light, you realize deep within you that everything that you could possibly need, the abundant life, the health of the body, the harmonious relationships, a bright future filled with joy and peace and harmony, all yours. As you begin to gain an awareness of who you truly are now that the veil has been lifted and the obstacles have been removed, begin to rejoice within you with the awareness that the light has come and is upon you now. You are so much more than you ever thought yourself to be. And that reality is being revealed to you here and now, allowing you to feel empowered, connected from within. You begin to come to the recognition that you are the light of the world. And the time has come for you to awaken to this reality and begin to move forward, always retaining the awareness of who you are and your connection to the source of all things. You are free here and now for a new beginning and a new chapter in your life. And allow the indwelling light to show you the way. And it will be so unto you. And so let's take a deep breath to anchor that awareness within ourselves. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And very gently begin to bring your awareness back to the place that you are. Feeling connected to Source. Your whole body is filled with light and there is joy in your heart. Bring your awareness to the movement of the breath in and out of the lungs. Become once again aware of your physical body. And whenever you're ready, very gently, you may open up your eyes. and welcome back. I hope you had enjoyed this guided meditation. Feel free to share it with your friends, and if you want, you can listen to it more than once to continue to remove all the blockages that are at a subconscious level within you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Namaste.